So you want to create a full width button like this, right? So here's the thing. The first thing which I can do, right? Let me start by having a container, which I'm actually going to put below. Okay, let me just put it here. Then I'm actually going to go and find a button, drag it and drop it within this container. Then after doing that, right, so we've got the properties of this button. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go under advanced, then I'm going to go under full or under width, then I'm going to click full width. It won't do the magic, so we have to actually go back to what, style, then we click where it says stretch, and now we have a full width button. The other thing which I can actually do is I can duplicate the button, right? Then I can come here and change the direction of the container, and now I've got what, two full width buttons, which I'm actually going to customize and say call us, as I'm actually creating a website for a what, for a car dealer. Then I'm going to say message us. Then later on I'm going to put my WhatsApp number here as for the testing. I can actually now delete this because now this is not necessary. We've managed to create the full width what button which we wanted. Well, thank you for watching. Bye for now.